Got a 2007-2013 Chevy Avalanche and need a new key? You can program it yourself. These models use GM's Passkey 3 Plus or Passlock 2 systems. You'll need a blank transponder key like HU66T or HU100 and an OBD2 scanner with key programming functions such as Autel, Foxwell, or OBD Link. These tools cost $100 to $500, much cheaper than dealership fees of $200 to $300 per key. The basic idea is to sync a chipped key with the vehicle's anti-theft system, so the car knows it's a valid key and allows you to start the engine. Make sure you have a working master key to start. DIY success rates are around 75%, but a wrong move can cause issues, so pay attention. A case study from Reddit showed successful DIY programming using an Autel MD808 scanner and HU66T key blanks, costing $150 versus $250 at a dealer, emphasizing the importance of vehicle maintenance. First, connect the scanner to your Avalanche's OBD2 port. Access the security menu, usually under Body or Engine Diagnostics. Insert your master key and cycle the ignition from off to on multiple times. Now, add the new key by repeating the cycle and entering programming mode, usually turning the key to on run within 10 seconds. Test the key. The system uses rolling codes to prevent cloning. Important, avoid damaging the ECM with voltage spikes. If your Avalanche has OnStar, reprogramming might alert GM. Trends show DIY is increasingly accessible via smartphone apps like Torque Pro or Carista, but reliability varies. Subscription services like Keyless Ride offer support for a monthly fee. Expert tip: beginners often fail, so use official GM guides or certified tools. Some statistics show DIY attempts succeed in approximately 75% of cases for these Avalanche models, saving you 50 to 60% compared to dealership costs, but be careful and proceed slowly.